Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm Nancy Myrland, your host. If you are just posting on LinkedIn, whether that's reposting something someone else posted, maybe it's from your firm, maybe it's from a friend or a client, or it's posting some of your own content, and you're not spending time interacting with others, you are missing a huge, maybe even enormous opportunity to use LinkedIn to its fullest. And let me explain. I tend to, on a regular basis, go into the comment sections of posts that I find interesting for whatever reason. I either agree or I don't agree with them. And when I read through the comments, I learn a lot more than I knew before I looked at the comment section. One example is this. I just read a post from Rand Fishkin about SEO in the age of artificial intelligence and what causes the LLMs, meaning ChatGPT, Anthropic, Claude, the others, to pick up information about us when others are searching in ChatGPT or the others, when they are searching for someone who does what we do. And it struck him, this is part of it, his whole message was that we have to make sure that we are saying what we want people to find in all of the right places. Use this same or similar language to describe us. That could be your bio, it could be what you say and people quote you. Use it everywhere. It's in your law firm bio. It may just be that first sentence or so that describes what you do. And then when people go into ChatGPT and they do a search for, who is the best LinkedIn trainer for lawyers, then the question becomes, did I put anything in my bio and every other bio I have people read when I'm presenting for them or being introduced? Are they using that same language? That is what will help. And I learned so much more by just going into the comments section. I become smarter, and I am in an era where I am getting as smart as I can be as time allows with artificial intelligence. So I'm practicing this as I normally do, but it is really beneficial in this age of mine to go into the comments, read what people have to say, whether I agree with it or not. That helps me become smarter and more discerning as well. All right. Just that quick message. Don't just post and go away. Spend some time in the comments learning from people. All right, take care. If you need to get a hold of me, I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. It's also my website. All right, thanks for being here. Take care.